Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve a fascinating geometry challenge. In the square ABCD, two small 15-degree angles lead to something surprising. We will prove that the triangle ABE, which is shown by orange, is equilateral. Let's see how that's even possible using nothing more than pure geometry. No trigonometry, no coordinates. We start with the square ABCD, where these two angles in the green triangle are 15 degrees. As a result, the third angle becomes 150 degrees. On side AD, we construct a triangle same size as the green triangle that we show it by blue, and it's called AFD. So since the blue triangle is similar to the green triangle, these two angles are also 15 degrees and the third is 150 degrees. This makes triangles FAD and EDC congruent by angle side angle. Since DF and DE have the same size and also the total angle at point D is 90 degrees, the angle between DF and DE is 60 degrees. If we connect the points E and F by this line, a triangle is formed which has all sides equal. So in the triangle EFD, all sides are equal and the angle between each two sides is 60 degrees. That means the triangle is equilateral. Since this is 60 degrees and this angle is 150 degrees, this angle is also 150 because the sum of all three becomes 360. Since AF is equal to FE, the other two angles in this triangle are also 15 degrees. So in the triangle ADE, the angle A is 30 degrees. Similarly, the angle B in this triangle is also 30 degrees because AD is parallel to BC and have the same lengths, and point E is at the middle. The total angle at point A and B is 90 degrees. This means that each of these two angles is 60 degrees. As a result, the third angle is also 60 degrees. This proves that in the orange triangle, AB, AE, and BE are all equal, which means that the triangle ABE is equilateral. If you enjoyed this elegant geometry proof, do not forget to like and subscribe for more problem-solving videos just like this. Thanks for watching.